Welcome to Gosia at Home Cooking. Today I will show you what secret ingredients I use for my perfect beef chili. Let's get cooking and I hope you enjoy. Herbs I will use for my chili: 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of oregano. My secret ingredients, I will use the powdered cocoa, that will be 1 tablespoon, cinnamon 1 teaspoon, black pepper 1 tablespoon, and salt 1 tablespoon. And always is good idea to just try. That's all my ingredients I'm using for the chili. And let's get start cooking. The stove is on high heat. I will brown beef for few minutes. The ground beef is almost done. You can see no more red meat. Few more minutes I'll be done. Now I'll transfer ground beef to larger pan. Now I'm adding vegetables, onion, garlic, jalapeno. Now I'm adding celery, bell pepper. Now I'm adding herbs, salt, black pepper, cinnamon, powdered cocoa, oregano, garlic powder, cumin. The aroma is beautiful. Cover, and I'll cook for a few more minutes till the vegetables get soft. Let's go check the vegetables. Excellent. So, next part, I'm adding kidney beans. I use dark kidney beans, diced tomato with green chili, and tomato paste. I will cook chili for about 2 hours on a low heat. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you like this recipe, please comment, like and share with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified about my new video. I have so many delicious recipes on my channel. Be sure you check them out. And see you soon on my next episode. Dziękuję bardzo, smacznego. Bye bye.